I recently came across a story where Bank of America, they were struggling with burnout in their call centers. So they decided to conduct analysis, and then they found out that the employees were highly stressed, and the best relief came from time spent with fellow employees doing the same job, but away from their desks. So they invested in a better coffee area with higher quality coffee, as well as better food in the lunchroom. So now they had better coffee and food. Win. And the staff decided to stay there instead of leaving and going somewhere else. And they had the kind of conversations that not only relieve stress, but also help the business. This is known as collision collaboration. To maximize collision collaboration, you want to create a culture and a physical environment that encourages unplanned interactions and diverse perspectives through open spaces. You want to have informal channels and focus on shared goals and trust. You do this by fostering open communication, providing appropriate tools, define clear roles and expectations, as well as ensure a supportive and respectful atmosphere where team members feel safe to collide ideas. Now, your first step is to make sure you have the physical environment set out for these collisions, designed for interaction. Make sure you have a strategic layout and you provide some type of digital overlaps. Once you have that, you want to make sure you cultivate for a collaborative culture, fostering a supportive atmosphere, promoting diversity of perspectives, lead by example, and then celebrate the collaboration that took place. Some of the ways to do this is making sure you have some type of strategic practices of setting goals and defining roles and expectations and providing collaboration tools for them so that they can work autonomously and make sure that you and them embrace this constructive conflict. So if you've done all those things, it takes time. None of this happens overnight, and it can't be done alone. You are purposely designing these collisions, and your team has to commit to the challenge. So how do you get your team to collaborate, especially in today's hybrid environment? I'd like to know that, so please drop these in the chat. And if you have another tool, please tell us about it. To learn more about leadership, team building, and change, contact me at email and website listed below. So together we can put some leadership in your life. Don't forget to like, comment, and follow so you don't miss any of my future content.